Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another algorithm video. So in this video, we'll actually be seeing a simple Python code that helps us to find the closest sum pair in any array or any string of numbers. So yeah, let's just first of all see the question for that. Alright, so this is the question for our problems. So it's saying given an array of integers numbers, we'd like to find the closest pair of elements that add up to sum. Return the distance between the closest pair, absolute difference between the two indices. If there isn't a pair that adds up to a sum, return -1. So yeah, let's just say we are given a string of number and we also been given another number, which in this case, let's just say is 8. So what we have to do now is we have to basically find pair of a number that, adds up to this number 8, okay? So in this case, it can be two pairs. Let's just say, first of all, it can be 5 and 3, and the next pair can be 7 and 1, right? So these both numbers add up to 8. So now which one is the closest pair? In this case, the closest pair is 5 plus 3, right? So the difference, or you can say the range difference between these two numbers is 1, right? So this exactly what we have to do in our simple Python code. So let's just see that. All right, so this will be the Python code for that. So first of all, we'll define closest sum pair in which we have numbers and targeted sum, right? So we'll have the numbers and we have targeted sum, the number that we want our pairs to add up, okay? Then we'll take index max. This is basically a dictionary to store indices of elements. And then we have max distance. That is basically, initialization, the minimum distance to positive infinity. So yeah, then we'll basically apply for loop in this case because we need to, keep on going in the number in order to check the perfect least distance pair that adds up to a desired number. And then we'll have the if and else statement in that as well. So it will say if distance equal to index minus index map, so it will basically update the minimum distance. Then we'll have to check if a valid pair was found and return the minimum distance of -1 because we also had a -1 condition in that as well. So let's just say if we do not find any targeted sum, if we do not find any pair, so it will basically go to the pair itself, and that way it will return -1 value. So yeah, we have example usages. So this is basically the list of numbers, and this is our targeted sum, which is 9. So we need to find a closest pair that will add up to our digit 9. So let's just now go ahead and run this code. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's saying the distance between the closest pair is 2. So how would find 2 over here? Let's just see that. So if we go ahead and see in this number list, so we have 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. And if we have to find the closest pair, so the closest pair can be 6 and 3, right? And 8 and 1. So 8 and 1 is not the closest one, but 6 and 3 are, right? So the difference, or you can say the range between 6 and 3 is 1 and 2. So there is 2 difference between 6 and 3, and they are the closest. So that's why our output has showed 2 in that, okay? So this is basically the working of our whole code. So in this way, you can easily find the closest pair sum using a simple Python algorithm. So I hope you like this video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.